Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and you can check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel. If you also trade on other pairs like gold, GBP USD, USD JPY and others. So let's get started. So this is the 4 hour chart of Euro USD and market is open and we can see that there is some sort of corrective move on the chart of Euro USD right now, and as per our calculation market is still trading between this range only, and as we all know during the first half of Monday market usually does not show much volatility. So overall, all the levels are same. My dear friends, if you're looking for a detailed analysis of Euro USD for this week, please watch the video that I uploaded on Saturday because I do not want to repeat the same stuff and bore you again. Okay, so overall, the levels are still intact. 1.1500 at the top. Okay, 1.1500 at the top is standing as the resistance. To be precise, the resistance is around 1.1480, 1.1490. But still, we will be considering this as the resistance because this is a whole resistance zone in the market. Okay, so this is a resistance zone in the market, and we will not take any buy position at this particular level because this is not safe position, and especially we will not take any buy position at 1.1490 1.1500 level because it's a resistance zone. Until and unless market crosses this level and gives us the confirmation that yes, bulls are back into the market, we will not consider any buy position and we will simply try to short the market if we see good price rejection in this resistance level. Why? Because resistance is a place of sellers, keep in mind. Okay, and to to break the resistance level, market needs good amount of buying power. Until and unless market crosses the level, breaks the resistance level, it is not wise to take a sell buy position. Okay, so our resistance level is still valid, and on the other hand we have support around 1.1420. To be honest, this is not a strong support, but yes, we do have a price rejection level. Okay, but we will consider 1.1400 level because just below this level we can see that we also have the Fibonacci retracement level. So considering both these factors, okay, we will take a buy. Okay, if market comes down to this level and market bounces around 1.1420 or 1.1400 level, if market bounces we can consider a buy. Okay, but keep in mind confirmation is extremely important, and if possible take the additional confirmation of DXY if dollar is falling at that particular point of time and you can see that market is trying to bounce here, then you can easily go for a buy. Okay, anyways, if market bounces from the support level, definitely we can go for buy, but if there is a sudden selling pressure on Euro USD and if we see that Euro USD is unable to hold at the top, because yes, this move was very much unexpected and still personally I'm hoping that there should be some correction. Okay, so if Euro USD fails to hold the support level and starts coming down, then we can take a sell position below 1.1400 level. So 1.1400 level is very crucial for a market as a support. Okay, because if it breaks it, we will take a sell. If it bounces, we can go for buy. But on the other hand, 1.1500 is only important for us for Monday as resistance, and we will mainly try to look for selling position only. And if possible, my dear friends, keep your one eye on DXY as I said on Saturday, because DXY's move will also be very important. There may be a bounce on the chart of DXY, and after the market opening we can see that DXY is trying to go up from here. But I would like to mention one thing before I click on the stop recording button and that is, see, this is the price rejection level on DXY 95.70. And price rejection level, and I have derived, okay, I have derived this level from the Fibonacci. Okay, So this is a resistance zone for the market on DXY. And in this particular level, we also have the trend line coming up from the top. So we have got almost double resistance here. So I 95.70 around this particular level or spot, it will be very difficult for it DXY to cross the level. Okay, DXY dollar US dollar needs good buying power at this particular level to cross it. Okay, otherwise DXY will face some selling again and it will be coming down. Okay, but as of now, let's keep our fingers crossed and see whether DXY is able to cross the level or not. But keep in mind that DXY has a resistance zone around 95.70. So if DXY fails to cross the level and starts coming down again, then again we will see some buying on Euro USD. So I don't want that because I'm looking for a, honestly speaking, I'm looking for a correction on Euro USD because I want to go for some selling position. Anyways, let's hope for the best because overall the structure of DXY on the daily chart is still very. Let's see how the market reacts, how the market moves. Bye bye, take care, see ya tomorrow.